Lake Vostok. It's the largest lake in Antarctica, and it's the largest subglacial lake known at this time. Buried beneath nearly 4 kilometers of ice on Antarctica, and its existence took the world by surprise. It was first found by an aerial photographer from Russia who noticed a large, smooth impression near the South Pole in East Antarctica. Hundreds of subglacial lakes are caught between Antarctic bedrock and the ice sheet. Lake Vostok turned out to be quite large. 230 kilometers, that's 143 miles long, and 50 kilometers or 31 miles wide. For perspective, that's about the size of Lake Ontario in North America. From its surface to the bottom is 800 meters, 2,600 feet deep, and buried under miles of ice. Due to its geographical location, it's actually the perfect location to capture ice sheath runoff. And there's nowhere for that water to escape to, or so it was believed. Combine that, though, with the geothermal heating from the underground ridge that it sits nearby, and there's a very special location here on Earth like no other, where the pressure of the ice on top of the lake keeps the water at a constant temperature. It's literally like a time capsule of life under extreme circumstances, thriving. More than 3,500 species live in the lake's water, its muddy base, and on its surface. The highly pressurized conditions within the lake may be similar to those that are found under the ice sheet of Europa. Many people speculate that finding life in Lake Vostok will easily imply the existence of life off this planet. It's important to remember, life on Earth has been here for quite a long time. And while the findings within Lake Vostok are very interesting, they're also connected to all other life on Earth. In 1998, Lake Vostok project began drilling the 2 miles to obtain access to the lake, finally making contact in 2012. In 2013, John Priscu, a Regents Professor of Polar Ecology at Montana State University, led teams that drilled through about 2,600 feet of ice and found similar flourishing ecosystems within the actual waters of Lake Whillans. In 2019, his group sampled nearby Lake Mercer at a similar under-the-ice depth, achieving similar results. And in 2020, John and former student Trista Vic Majors published a study that, in summary, confirms that these subglacial lakes that are catch basins for glacial runoff, they do eventually drain into the oceans. And that's something no one thought was previously possible. These are Interesting Things with JC.